Hi there. This is VidTool Tutorials. Welcome to this channel, the only channel who teach you in the easiest way of teaching, just for you. How to make a successful YouTube channel and grow your subscribers. Establish your YouTube channel successful. Why you need to be on YouTube. Whether you're a big business or are establishing your personal brand, video content is a must if you want to reach your target audience. Video content and video marketing are powerful tools that can help you have a wider reach and a bigger impact. In fact, most people now prefer online video over live television, making it a no-brainer. YouTube specifically has over 1.9 billion subscribed users and averages 1 billion mobile video views a day, so it's easy to see why this platform is so important. On top of this, having a successful channel can lead to a serious income, with some channels even earning up to 6 figures from the content. So, if you're ready to explore YouTube and have a real shot among the competition, keep reading and use these tips. Plan the perfect YouTube content. Before jumping right in and posting the first thing you can think of, take the time to plan everything out. Starting your channel doesn't just mean shooting videos, posting them, and hoping they'll get views. The proper planning and having a clear why will help ensure the content you make and post has an aim. It also helps to identify your target audience and be realistic about how often you can post videos. Here are the 3 steps you need to know. Number 1. What's the motivation behind your channel? Find the why behind your YouTube channel. Ask yourself what the point of your channel is. Ideally, your channel will focus on solving a certain issue or it will focus on a certain topic. There may already be other channels out there with the same focus, so you'll have to find something that makes yours different or that helps it stand out. Number 2. Identify your target audience. In order to create video content that your viewers want to watch, you first have to identify your niche. Think about who your video's for, and get as specific as possible. Think about your target persona and identify the gender, age range, location, interests, and other points that will help you create content that interests this persona. This will give you a clear idea of who is consuming your content so that your future videos can be better aimed at the needs. Number 3. Do your research. Once you have your target audience well defined, it's time to get to know what type of content gets views with your niche. Take a dive into YouTube and identify what YouTubers are popular in this niche, what videos are trending, and what topics in general generate more views and interaction. Remember that you don't have to do exactly what everyone else is doing to get views. Be innovative, get creative, but do stick to what makes sense for your audience. This can also help answer the question of how to get subscribers on YouTube.